दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
Today, I am going to highlight the main events in the life of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. 2nd October 1869, Gandhiji is born in Porbandar, Gujarat. 1883, Mahatma Gandhi was married to Kasturibai Kapadia at the age of 13. 1888, Mahatma Gandhi sails for London to study law despite stiff opposition from the elders in the family. 1891, he passed the bar examination and became a barrister. He was formally enrolled in the High Court of London as a lawyer on 11 June 1891. 1893, Gandhiji left for South Africa to help an Indian firm, Dada Abdullah and Company, in a legal case. 1894, in May, inspired by the formation of Indian National Congress, Gandhiji and his colleagues formed the Natal Indian Congress. In 1903, Gandhiji started a weekly newspaper named Indian Opinion in Durban. It was started to inform Indians as well as other people in South Africa about the harsh conditions prevailing in the country and to secure their sympathy and support. In 1907, Gandhiji launched a protest against the Transfer Registration Act that discriminated against the Indians. 1915, Gandhiji returns to India from South Africa and travels across the country. 1917, Gandhiji supports the cause of the Champaran indigo farmers. Using a delicate balance of moderation and determination, Gandhiji had won a significant victory in his first satyagraha. Later followed by the Ahmedabad textile mill workers' strike in 1918 against mill owners for higher wages. Intervening on behalf of the workers, Gandhiji went on a hunger strike that lasted for 3 days before the mill workers and owners reached an agreement. In rapid succession, Gandhiji plunged into his third satyagraha in 1918. It took place in the famine-hit Kheda district of Gujarat. After 4 months of deadlock, the government unexpectedly agreed to come to an honorable settlement. They suspended the payment of revenue by poorer peasants for the year and asked only to be rich to pay. Gandhiji was relieved. He had successfully negotiated 3 regional satyagrahas. The success of Champaran, Ahmedabad, and Khera satyagrahas made Gandhiji popular and marked his emergence as a leader of the masses. In the same year, 1918, Justice Sidney Rowlatt penned a report on the dangers of the Indians' seditious behavior, which recommended that wartime restrictions of movement and assembly should continue even after the war was over. The report was soon declared to be the act by the British Parliament. While other leaders hesitated to take a step against the act, Gandhiji prepared for what he claimed to be then the greatest battle of my life. For the first time, he employed his weapon of satyagraha at an all India level. In March 1919, Gandhiji called out for a nationwide one-day hartal and asked all offices, businesses and shops to keep their shutters down. Unfortunately, some of the gatherings against the Rowlatt Act turned violent when the administration resorted to the police firing to control the crowd. The worst incident was at the Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar on 13th April 1919. Thousands of people had gathered on the grounds to enjoy a religious holiday. Brigadier General Reginald Edward Harry Dyer mistook this assembly for a political gathering and ordered his troops to fire on the unarmed crowd. Unable to escape the park, more than 400 people, including women and children, were killed and thousands of them were injured. Dyer and his troops left Amritsar without tending to the wounded as he did not want to jeopardize his victory. 1920 Gandhiji launched the non-violent, non-cooperation movement and India responded to it enthusiastically. In 1922, under Gandhiji's leadership, Hindus and Muslims formed a common front during the Khilafat movement. In February 1922, Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement after the violence at Chauri Chara. In 1925, Gandhiji wrote his autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. On 26 January 1930, Indians supported Gandhiji's pledge of Purna Swaraj. In 1930, Gandhiji also started the Dandi March against the British monopoly of manufacture of salt. 1931 Gandhiji attended the Second Round Table Conference in London. 8th of August 1942, the Quick India movement was launched. In 1944, Kasturba Gandhi, wife of Mahatma Gandhi, died in the prison. 15th August 1947, India gained independence, but India and Pakistan were partitioned into two different countries. In January 1948, Gandhiji fasted for communal harmony. On January 30th, 1948, Gandhiji was on his way to a prayer meeting at the Birla House. In the crowd stood Nathuram Godse, who fired 3 fatal shots at Gandhiji. Jawaharlal Nehru announced Gandhiji's death on the radio, saying, "Friends and comrades, the light has gone out of our lives, and there is darkness everywhere."
धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढब की लड़ाई, दागे न कहीं तोप न बंदूक चलाई, दुश्मन के किले पर भी न की तूने चढ़ाई, बाहरी फकीर खूब करामात दिखाई, चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। मन में थी अहिंसा की लगन, तन पे लंगोटी, लाखों में घूमता था लिए सत्य की सोटी, खुद जहर पिया जिस दिन तेरी